welcome back to our channel.
Ta-da!
Today is a special day for this channel. Today is a special reaction, so that's why I got ready. I didn't even get ready. It's just I put on a nice dress rather than just being a sloppy. So today's reaction is really important reaction on this channel. So so today
I think people who have been watching us from long, I think they already know what we are reacting to.
yeah, so yes, if you have been watching us since like a year, you would know that why is it a special day today? Why is it a special reaction?
And who is it more special for?
As you can
As you can tell by the clothes.
it's clearly her.
Oh,
Yeah,
so true.
Today is really most awaited series is trailer reaction. It's a main trailer, not a pilot trailer. We already
Not a
gave
pilot.
reaction to the pilot trailer.
That means we would have a official announced date of episode 1. That means.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we already gave our reaction to the pilot trailer. If you guys gonna want, oh no, I'm
Wanna.
already fumbling. Oh, I'm so nervous. What the hell?
We haven't even started
It's
yet.
not even my series. Why am I so fumbling?
No, that's how being a fangirl is.
I know, right? So we already gave our reaction to the pilot trailer. If you guys want to watch that, go to the DMD friendship. DMD 2025 lineup.
Lineup 25, yeah.
We gave a lineup reaction and we did give our pilot trailer reaction there. So today we are reacting to
Done with you, Titi Por.
most
So like
awaited.
short summary. She's the huge fan of Por,
Yes, I
and yeah, indeed, and she's huge fan. And if you want to know how huge of a fan she is, you should watch our DMD, which will drop here or here, anywhere.
Somewhere to be here.
And actually, it's already 9 p.m. here, and the trailer was dropped at 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Oh
But
my
since
God.
I was out, we couldn't watch, and I have tried my best to not watch anything on Twitter. So we both are being completely
yes,
blind.
I didn't even,
Yeah.
you know, when it comes to Por, we take it very seriously here. We do not get spoiled at all. I did not even open the the BL channel account. It's
I
like
did open, but I was like, oh no.
I'm like
skip,
so
skip, skip.
blind. I'm actually blind, total blind. For
Same.
Por also and for this trailer also.
Wow. True. That was a good one.
This will be a cringy reaction, so if you can't take it, please you shouldn't watch this because I will be cringe, mega extra plus cringe, and for the people, yes, again and again we are saying yes, we are not serious about this. We are just joking around.
Yes,
He's my
yes,
favorite,
yeah.
but that doesn't mean I actually mean him as my boyfriend. I just call him for fun.
Yeah, we know. Yeah, we call it for fun.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is
right.
all just fun and happy vibes. So if you can't
Yeah,
take it, you guys shouldn't watch this reaction because I'm going to scream, yell, then talk about this and that, how Por is, how Titi is, then we are going to yap. So if you can't take it, you shouldn't watch this. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it.
I think subtitles are off.
คุณเคยถูกมนต์สะกดไหมครับ เหมือนตกลงไปในหลุมที่คนคนนั้นสร้างไว้ ผมว่าผมเจอแล้วแหละ หลุมที่ทำให้ผมกระโดดลงไป และผมจะเตรียมทุกอย่าง เพื่อไปรักเขา แม่งน่ารักชิบหาย กูอะไปเจอคนหนึ่งมาเว้ย เขาน่ารักมาก ชื่อฉิน เรียนดุริยางค์
Oh my god!
ขอโทษนะครับ ขอไลน์หน่อยได้ไหมครับ
ไม่ได้ครับ โทษที
นี่หล่อขนาดนี้แม่งตุกเลยว่ะ
แล้วกูต้องทำไงอ่ะ
Oh,
มึง
wait,
ต้องแบบ
wait.
ไปหาข้อมูลเขาให้แน่นก่อน
แต่มึงไปทำให้กูดูก่อนไป
ได้
Not.
ชิ้น ใส่หูฟังมาเชียวสีขาวอะ
อันนั้นมองจากตรงนี้ก็เห็น ไม่ได้เรื่องนะเดี๋ยวกูไปเองเธอเพื่อนเราชอบอ่ะ
เราชื่อเพื่อน
เบื่อว่ะ เจอคนอย่างนี้ละ
เฮ้ยเดี๋ยวกันเธอดวงจีบเธอไม่ได้มาขออนุญาตแค่แจ้งให้ทราบเฉย
Oh, he took the
จริง
step.
ติลาน
เดี๋ยวมึงตายเพื่อน
เฮ้ยเพิ่งเริ่มเพื่อน
ๆ และนี่คือแผนที่กูจะไปจีบคุณชิน
โอเลี้ยงที่สั่งได้แล้วครับ
ให้ขนมบอกรัก
เธอ
กูไม่เอา
เดี๋ยวลมแห่งรักพัดมาใหม่นะจ๊ะไม่เป็นไรนักรักนี่มันไม่ยอมแพ้เลยเว้ย
ถ้ากูยอมเล่นด้วยมันจะกลับไปไหมมองเชี่ยอะไรเนี่ย
แล้วทำไมใส่กางเกงตัวนี้มา
มองขาดอยู่ได้
จริงๆดวงอยากให้เธอเชื่อใจดวงที่สุดในโลก แต่เธอดื้ออะใครพูดอะไรไปก็ไม่ฟังหรอกดวงสั่งยูสุชาชูราเมง ไม่ใส่ต้นหอม เพิ่มหมูชาชูกับเส้นแฮแหละ
มึงจำได้ด้วยเหรอว่ากูไปกินต้นหอม
จำได้สิ
เก็บไว้ในใจ
มีตุ๊กตาด้วยอ่ะ
ของคนคุยเก่า
เฮ้ยชิน
เธอจะกลับแล้วบอกดวงนะ
ยังโกรธอยู่เหรอ
ไม่ได้โกรธเธอ
100%.
แต่โกรธอะไรพวกที่ทำเธอเจ็บ
เย็นนี้ดวงเลิกเรียนแล้วดวงจะรีบไปเชียร์เธอนะคะ แล้วเธอจะได้อะไรไหมคะ เดี๋ยวดวงจะหาไปให้
แค่มึงมาเชียร์ก็พอละ
ชินน่าจะรู้จักฟิล์มกับซอนอยู่แล้วปะ
What?
ถ้าดวงทำออกมาไม่ดีอะเธอจะรู้สึกยังไงอะ
ถ้ามึงพยายาม ต่อให้มึงพลาดอะ
Oh, he does.
ก็ไม่ได้หมายความว่ามึงไม่ตั้งใจนี่
อย่าทำแบบนี้นะเธอ ดวงตายได้เลยนะเธอ
ยังจีบไม่ติดเลย จะตายแล้วเหรอคะ
Wow.
โคตรด้วงมัมกูดบอย
ดวงชอบเธอนะยังชอบเหมือนแรกที่เธอชอบเลย แค่อยากให้เธอรู้ไว้ว่าดวงยังเหมือนเดิม
ผมพาคนพิเศษมาด้วย
ฉินค้างที่นี่เนาะ แล้วก็ฉินก็นอนห้องด้วง
Yeah.
อ่ะ อันนี้ชุดนอนเธอ เธอไม่ต้องใส่กางเกงในนอนก็ได้
31st January. Wow.
Wow, best trailer.
Oh my god, EM.
Wow. Wow. Best trailer the movie has ever created.
Facts. It was so cute. Oh
Kim
my
Ji
god.
Rahu. Kim Ji Rahu. I only see Duang with you.
Duang with you.
Oh my god. This was okay. Okay. I am a critic. I am a critic person. Everyone knows. I like to compare trailers. And to be honest, I like this one better than the pilot trailer
The
one.
previous one.
Because
Mhm.
even though they added a lot of new things into this trailer, it actually they binded it really well, and they kept the original trailers as it is, but they,
As it is.
they added a lot
But-
of new things into
But
it.
you know, I what I noticed was that yeah, obviously, I mean, I'm someone who do not really care about trailers, as you know from our previous this. I don't really care unless the series is good. But you know, in the previous trailer, what I liked more was what is your Boris character name? Shin something,
Shin.
right? So I liked his introduction part
Ah,
where he showed him that he was actually the star of the
Star
university. And in this trailer, what I liked was, oh my god, okay. She, you will say she's a biased person. That's why she would obviously like it. Yeah, but what I liked in this trailer was, oh, everything they showed. I don't even know any part which I hated about
True.
it, because I'm not that of a Paul Titi bias
Mm.
as much as she is. So I was looking more into the script and into how production. So no doubt, I'm not talking about the Bromody's production. Never gonna talk about it. But it felt as if it was like personal. The trailer felt so personal. It felt like I'm watching real life
Real
story.
life
It
story,
was
yeah.
that good. So
So it's like we are watching our friends, you know.
yeah,
getting
I'm part
together.
of it. I'm part of
yeah,
it.
we are part
Yeah,
of it.
yeah, yeah.
Because the first trailer was it made us feel like, you know, I mean, obviously I get it because it was introduction to the TT Por as a solo,
TT, yeah, right.
as a
Mhm.
couple thing. So they showed it like everything was like, you know, about the whole thing was about only TT and Por. That's
And
all
Paul,
it was.
yeah.
There was nothing
Definitely.
else much into it, the trailer. This one
Mhm.
had everything. It was TT Por, and then also the storyline also, like what are we going to
Yeah.
actually show you in this series other than TT Por also. Oh my god.
It's like, you know, it's like they did actually what the trailers are supposed to do. Because in pilot trailer, they are supposed to show
Sure.
that who is the cast and what the trailer is about. And in this, okay, what I liked about is that they showed the parents part, family
Oh,
part,
yeah.
like Titi introducing Paul, and then biggest him is Titi's brother in this.
Bro, I lost my mind. So Tutor is going to be in this drama. Tutor, him. Oh my god.
Okay, so short story, she's huge fan of tutoring also.
Yes. My biggest ships from Domandi were another ship, and they broke. So Tutorim and Titipur. These are the two my biggest ships.
Biggest ships from Domandi. Yeah.
I am a girl who liked Tutorim since Cutie Pie era. I was
Yeah, since
even she
then.
knows I still, even though I don't watch Cutie Pie, you know, MVs, I watch there is a certain like tutoring MVs that I
Tutoring
saved it
MV.
and I watch them too. Oh my god, so it's for me tutoring is like my favorite comfort ship. So I like tutoring a lot. So and I saw him in this drama.
See, okay, I'm not that huge of a fan as she is, but when I saw him, I was like, ooh, yeah. And there's big chance that there will be tutor too. So
It has to be. Can you
Yeah.
believe my book is because two ships are in together in the
together,
movie?
I
And
understand.
my boyfriend's drama. My parents are also there. What
Mm.
can I ask for more in my life? Can you tell me? This is the reason why I think I was born into this world so that I can watch Dwam with you,
Dwam with you.
with tutoring in it. Oh my god.
Definitely, the trailer did not disappoint me. It went so wholesome. It gave me no. Okay, no mind. It was so wholesome.
It is fine.
No.
If you compare it, it's fine.
No, because it was like my personal opinions.
Yeah,
Nah.
it's
So
fine,
like,
yeah.
no, I was like, I am a huge fan of VR and perfect eyeliners.
Oh
Like,
my god, I
so it
agree.
gave me. Okay, I know it's a controversial thing, but I'll say it because it's our channel.
We don't care.
Like VR, perfect eyeliners, like
Mixed
university,
together.
but with very, very good production. Oh, and okay, one special mention. What I liked about this trailer was Paul's sassiness.
Yes,
The
oh
way
my
the way he dominates and controls Titi's character is so
God. And
good.
he became way too sassy in this trailer. I will tell you that.
In first trailer, I don't think he was even
He was
that
not even
type of
sassy.
yeah.
He was just, you know,
Yeah.
he was just street cutie boy. You know that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, also, I did not. I think I did not notice that. But did he say Titi that I fell in love with your voice singing something like that, or he did
No,
not say
he
that?
didn't say it in this trailer. He said it in the last trailer.
Okay,
He just
I got confused.
So the things they skipped was the things they showed in last trailer. They were rushing that part out from this trailer.
Yeah.
Because we already saw it, and in the
Yeah.
I think they kept the whole theme as it is.
As
Like,
it is,
everything.
yeah.
And so they were like, we showed you the reason why Paul fell in love with Titi fell
in love with Paul.
So so they are like, we don't need to, you know, give you another recap of it in this trailer.
But like also, in this trailer, they showed that Titi first sees Paul while he's walking down the while crossing the roads. So no, yeah, that is there. But like he first said that I fell in love with a boy I saw while walking. So I feel like that singing scene was later when
I
like
didn't like
later.
that. I didn't
First he
like
sees Paul and then he falls in love and like he likes him, and then he realizes that he's a singer. Then he goes to his concert or like where he sings,
really?
and that's where he totally falls in love. Yeah,
Oh, I didn't read that. I was too
because
busy
I
looking at
was
them.
too into
I
script.
was too
Yeah,
busy looking at them.
definitely. Yeah, and I was reading subtitles. So
Yeah. So obviously one of the like greatest trailers ever created in BL industry. I think this will have a lot of impact in BL industry overall. This whole trailer. So I am
Oh my
really
God.
excited for this. And please add tutor. Also, please, can I have tutoring? Please, I can live off crumbs. That's fine.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
been years I'm living off of crumbs. I'm totally okay with it.
They can show it like they did in
It's a
Your
second-
Sky.
it's a
with
second st-
Kong's
Yeah.
sister. They also showed Kong's sister and her boyfriend's
Boyfriend.
part. So they can also show it
they
here.
can show it as like Poor Titi's story. They did it in.
Oh yeah, the crumbs, but they were very little crumbs. Like they.
Still, I loved it. That
Yeah, I
one
mean, yeah.
episode, that one episode of Titi Poor is still so good to me.
Oh my god, yeah, the way, yeah,
I
right,
know.
right.
So they can show it. Just even if it's for a second, I will accept it as tutoring. It's like if tutor comes, hello him, and
Hello,
he
yeah.
goes, and he goes. I'm like, okay, happy, my heart is happy. So yeah, after Dex, this is the like crumbs that I am living off of. The Titi Por, then and my parents being together. So yeah, I think this is. Oh, are they going to show any Dex parts in it? I don't know. Are they going to bring Dex?
No, why would they? I don't think
Because
so.
it's a singing
Or
show.
maybe no. You remember in the scene where Titi
Yeah.
Por are dancing? Yeah, like whatever the contest is, I don't know.
Uh-huh.
So they were dancing. So maybe it like they would bring
Yeah,
other next member.
they are trying to get into a boy band, which is Dex.
Boy band.
Oh, that would
Wow.
be crazy. That would go
So great.
so crazy. Oh my god.
It
Do
would be
that.
like tempo.
Oh my god, yes, please do another tempo, but
Yeah.
a wholesome one.
Also, yeah,
No
not
trauma,
the.
please, no trauma, no trauma.
I know that I don't think there's any emotion, so much emotion in this
This is
drama.
just pure, fun, happy, cute
Romantic.
story as I like.
Yeah.
You see, it's vanilla. It's my boyfriend and my
So
boyfriend's
your type.
boyfriend, my parents, and the
Favorite
whole
company.
production.
Wow.
This is everything that I have
Crazy.
ever dreamed in my life.
Yeah.
This is the best trailer, again, I'm saying. And the visuals they have given to Por, wow, very nice, very well put together. I liked Titi's style more in the previous trailer. Personally,
Oh, I liked it him here more. I don't know why.
I liked
Oh.
his style more than like.
In the previous.
Yeah, he
mhm.
looks way good here also. No.
Yeah, no doubt. I mean-
doubt. It's Titi. So
It's just personal.
personal opinion. I like
Choice,
his styling.
yeah.
Styling, dressing styling. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay,
styling.
dressing style. Eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
But it's fine. Maybe I didn't watch this trailer enough yet. I have watched the trailer enough yet. So I'm going to watch it again. And there will be a lot of things that I didn't watch. Oh, and there is our DMD friendship people here also.
Oh, I was about to say like special mention to my favorite person already, North.
And
He took my heart, and
Yes.
special mention again to Wave. So now we know why they were not there
why
during
they
the
were
singing
busy
session.
and why.
You remember? Okay, if you guys have seen I think it will be already uploaded.
No, this will
Are you
go
gonna
first.
upload
This
this?
will go first.
Okay,
and then
so
we
this
go.
will our DMD friendship are going to come reactions later on. In that we both said the same thing, that maybe North and Wave are in Dong with You series.
Yes,
We
we
just
did.
kind of guessed
Guessed
it, but we were not
yeah,
sure.
we guessed
Yeah,
it. When North and we were gone together, we were like,
together.
maybe if they are in, and after like a third episode ended of DMD friendship, we both because today was we are doing Duang with You's main trailer was going to come, so we watched the previous trailer yesterday also. And we saw that Wave was there, and then
Yeah,
and then-
but we did not notice North.
no, we did not know because North was not in the trailer. So we kind of guessed it about North, that North might be in
Yeah.
the trailer. So yeah, and we gave our opinion before watching the previous trailer also that Wave was going to be there. So I'm finally, it's true. North and Wave both are in this drama. Which
Drama,
is
yeah,
their
yeah.
debut series, I guess.
Yeah,
I assume-
definitely.
I assume
Yes,
this is their
yes.
debut series. So I'm definitely looking forward to, especially North's character. North is so funny in this drama.
So funny.
Oh
He's
my
like,
God.
I'm not the buddy. He likes you.
He likes it, not me. He's like, I'm the buddy.
But you know, I think that these are the details that made me think that this drama was so realistic.
Uh-huh.
Because typical drama, they would make it like the whole concept like of misunderstanding.
Mm.
That Por would think that North is the one who likes him.
Ah.
But in that moment, North was like, no, he likes you. It is how it should be.
And then, I'm the buddy.
I'm the buddy. And okay, I don't think Gauri has observed it. He calls Por as Tar, and Tar means darling in Thai.
Ooh.
So he never calls him Shin, Pishin, or anything like Tar.
Really does
I think it's darling or sweetheart, something like this. Like yeah.
Oh,
Even
really?
in pilot trailer, I think he called him Tar, but I forgot to tell you.
No, I cannot focus at all.
That's why I was like, I know she would not
I can't
realize. Observe.
focus. I really can't. I have problem. I think I have a genuine problem at this point. I just look at their faces. Even the subtitles are there. I try to guess it myself by looking at them.
Looking what they are saying.
Even the subtitles.
The only time I have seen her reading subtitles were during Domundi Friendship Reality, season 3. Even in season 1 and 2, she used to look at me, but in season 3, she was actually reading to subtitles for the first time.
Season 2, I was only looking at porn the whole time.
Oh my god, we have to complete season 2. Yeah, guys, we will complete.
Oh my god, and season 1, I was just looking at everyone.
and yeah, everyone.
And it's
And
like
at season 1, you were just confused at what is happening.
in this trailer also, I was only looking at porn and thinking, oh, this is so hilarious. Wow.
Okay.
So again, so about the thing about this trailer, I would give rating probably 9.9, 9.9.5 out of 10.
Wow.
I'm kidding. It's
What
10 out of 10.
yeah.
Oh, what a critic I am.
Yeah, what a critic you are, I was about to say.
9.9.5.
0.5. Wow, crazy.
And how about
Now,
you?
31st. Sorry?
What about you? The rating?
10 on 10. I don't care. I would have just said whatever it is, but it is 10 on 10. It was so wholesome.
It
Okay, to be honest, I'll be very honest. When we started watching the trailer, at first I did not understand what was actually happening. It was
Fast.
very confusing.
Fast pacing also.
No, not as fast. It was like I didn't understand the pace at first. But like slowly when they already met, I was like, oh, from
Like,
that onwards
we-
the whole trailer
We
was.
didn't saw the direction at the start. Like where they
Yeah,
want
I
to
did
go,
not get the
where
direction.
they
Yeah.
want to go. Are they going here, here? Then
Yeah.
as slowly it goes down.
Yeah.
It's like,
No, very immediately they started the
Yeah.
correct pace. Like, yeah.
I forgot the trailer already. So I need to.
Same.
I legit forgot the trailer. I don't know what.
I
it
just
was.
remember that Titi took Paul's hand and his mom started yelling,
I'm like, that's
screaming.
Oh my god, I would also scream. Oh my god, that was such a and his mom supports. He's like, go live.
Even
go-
his dad.
Yeah, his dad was smiling and he's like, go on. You can go to his room and sleep with him. Oh my god,
with
nah,
him.
that's me. That's me as a parent right there.
And it is very wholesome and my type of drama. Like, you know, why? Because Paul, Paul, right? He's claimed as a stone. And later on, he's the one who's flirting with Titi. So the transition is so good.
When he becomes comfortable with him.
Yeah, and he realizes that he likes Titi. He might like Titi.
Mm.
You know, in a scene where Titi goes, I don't know who goes in whose room. So someone is there in the room, and then Por goes on him. Is like, I haven't even started the flirting yet.
He like, Duong will actually die. Please don't do this
Nah.
flirting. So he's like, I haven't even started flirting.
And he is,
Are you
oh my
actually
god,
going
oh my
to
god.
die?
Oh my god, okay, the cutest scene. I can't stop yapping, but yeah, the cutest scene was when he like confesses him that I'm going to hit on you and whatever, and then Paul comes to him and then he falls back, and then Northern waves catch him.
That's like they kept it from the previous trailer. So,
Oh,
but this
I'm
time,
so grateful.
This time he actually falls down. In the trailer,
Actually
he just
falls
does it
down.
like this, and this time he actually falls. Oh my god! Oh my! You know that is such a realistic scene. If Paul comes up to your face and he said, "You will actually die." You know that is a real.
What
fact.
what did he say on his face?
He's like, then I think I would like to see you try. He says it like that. I would like to see you try.
So sassy. Oh.
As he should be. As he should be. You know.
Now it's 31st Jan, so more than 20 days.
It's like way too less time for me to compare
Process.
myself together. It's like, oh my god, it's actually going to happen.
31st Jan.
They bring
Okay.
out the Along With You very early than I expected. I thought it will
Yeah,
be
considering all the other
I
dramas.
thought
Yeah.
it would be very late in 2026 or mid 2026, but they actually brought it in like start of
Yeah,
2026.
I
Yes.
expected mid 2026. Yeah.
Yes, win for me. So they can produce another drama. Yes, go produce another drama. Go act in it.
Already.
Already, I will buy tickets, everything for it. I wish I was in Thailand, bro. I wish. I should-
You would have attended the screening
Stop
of the
it.
first
Stop
episode.
it, stop it. I might cry now. Oh my god. This is like actually sad.
I know.
She knows I'm going to go on this topic for Rampage, like for an hour. That why I'm not there right now. And why my life is so hard, bro. I don't know why we live so like hard mode. Oh my god.
Maybe you might see them in future with better approach. Who knows?
That is true, but still though, this is first series, Sheetal. Do you understand this?
Yeah, I totally understand, bro. Who will understand you more than me?
I might actually cry to sleep tonight. I think this is actually hurting.
It's like
me.
it's so
It's so
frustrating that you
bothering
cannot
me
go.
so much.
Uh,
And the big problem is I can go, but I don't even have a passport. The passport is going to take a whole month.
well, I have a passport. Should I go?
Bleh. So the passport is going to take a whole month. Then
Obviously.
Then-
Until that time, there are already 2
series is
episodes
already
released.
Oh yeah, so 2 episodes already released. So what am I gonna go do there? Again, why are we not there? Oh, please. If there is a fairy that exists in this
What
world,
the heck?
can we go to please time?
Just gift us tickets.
Bus, I can go by bus. Whatever you want, I can go by bus. Water, whatever you want.
Yeah, water.
No, there is a road that is making India to Thailand. You know?
But till that time, Titi and Paul will already have a child.
Yeah, but by boat I can sit in a boat for a week also if I were to go there. I can pedal myself to the.
And it is not that far away, hopefully.
I can pedal myself also, if you want.
And I'll go by flight since I have a passport. But even if you go by boat, don't you think you'll need passport again to show that you are from another country? To go in your hotel room
I'll go
underground.
underground. Oh no.
Until you dig up the tunnel.
I die probably till then.
I would already be a grandmother till that time.
Yeah, true though. Yeah,
Bro,
so
what I'm
anyway,
thinking.
about other than crying to Thailand, I don't know if I have anything else to say. But
No,
yeah,
nothing.
it's only a wish. Hope it will come true someday. Maybe not the first series, but I'm happy that I'm alive to see their first
Yeah,
series.
and you are able to react so that you can
React.
watch later.
If anyone from Domundi is watching it, I'm really, really thankful for this life that you guys exist in wildlife and that you guys are giving us such a good dramas and making our
Drama.
life worth for what it is and making our fangirlism, go at its peak every time whenever you give us a drama. And especially this one.
Okay, very random. I don't know why I'm saying this, but doesn't this drama gives you your sky vibes totally?
It does because it is the kind of like school thing.
Yeah, university
University
with parents'
drama.
approval.
With parents, no, you was kind
In your sky, I mean, but he understands
11th
it.
episode.
Where we cried.
It's fine. It can be Thomas's parents. Thomas' parents were nice. In
Yeah.
Your Sky. So
They were rich and nice, so.
that's
Oh, he had a brother. Oh, his brother was poor, right? Bro, the realization.
That's why I said tutor can be my boyfriend's ship from Your Sky.
Oh my god, I legit forgot, bro. I was like, who was that handsome brother of his? I was like, oh shit, it was fun. I swear to
Oh
God,
my
guys.
God, that's why she was keep saying she couldn't remember that Paul was in Your Sky, so she kept saying,
Yeah.
Your Sky vibes.
I told you. I was like, why is he giving so much of that vibe? I just remembered that he had a brother who was rich and handsome. And I was like, shit, it was poor.
That's why she was keep saying, why does it give up? She forgot that part.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The reality
check.
hit me so hard. Oh my god. Oh
Wow.
wow.
So
Crazy.
yeah.
I
So-
have to watch Your Sky again now.
Yes, we do, and we have to watch this trailer again and again so we can, consume and prepare ourselves for this series. I don't know, I look chopped right now from the point we started. I don't know what happened to my face.
It's okay, Paul will like you either way.
No, that's not true, but it comforts my heart.
As you should. We are saying it to comfort.
Yeah, I know, right?
Who cares?
Who cares? Nobody cares.
Cares.
Yeah, so we loved the trailer. By the way, it was an okayish trailer. So
Why? After yapping all, okay, Striller, no one is gonna believe you.
yeah, so it was the best trailer that has ever created in BL industry. It will be the best drama that has ever been made in this BL industry. So please be ready
Indeed.
for my yapping session. My oh, what? Shut up. Oh, my Bixby so be ready because we will going to drop it either on YouTube or either on Patreon. We don't know if it will be free on Patreon.
I feel like they will allow episode 1 or 2, but I don't think they will allow all the episodes.
Anyways, so what I was saying, I don't know if it will be free on Patreon or not, but it will be free here. No membership or anything will be there. So it will be free here, and I think it will be free on Patreon. We are not sure yet.
Not sure. We'll,
Yeah,
we'll see
so
about it.
please, we are going to record and post it. I will make sure that I will post on time, edit on time this time because it's
Hopefully.
important to me. So we are going to shoot, post because we are done with our exams and everything for now.
Everything,
Yes.
yeah.
So now it's just the university stuff that we can just throw it away and watch the drama.
That too, those are activities and fests, so we can attend and record.
Nobody cares about the university right now.
Yeah.
Yappa. So my voice is cracking again for some reason. So yeah, I think
I think that's it.
yes, I think we are happy and we will watch this drama. So please stay tuned to watch our series reaction. And that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.